Namaste. CredVista.in is rapidly expanding its loan connector network across the vibrant cities of Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. If you're looking to earn extra income, or if you're already in the finance, real estate, insurance, or business field, then CredVista's Loan Connector program offers a powerful opportunity for your career growth. CredVista is a leading corporate DSA company, boasting a strong and extensive network of over 50 leading banks and NBFCs. Your role is straightforward. Simply refer customers who need loans. Our dedicated and professional backend team handles the entire process, from documentation to final approval, ensuring a seamless experience for everyone. You can connect customers with a wide range of essential loan products, including home loans, loan against property, business loans, personal loans, and working capital solutions. Our payout system is completely transparent, our support system is robust, and crucially, you don't need any upfront investment or a dedicated office space. You only need to bring an ethical, serious, and long-term mindset to succeed. If you're ready to earn stable monthly commission income, the CredVista Loan Connector Network warmly welcomes you. To join our growing network, contact us today at 9326013007 or visit CredVista.in to learn more.